Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Car Addiction. Today it's probably one of the days I've been waiting for since the beginning of COVID, because I wanted to attend an Ontario Zcar, and because of COVID and whatnot, last year it wasn't hosted, but this year it is. So I'm here now. There's a lot of copyrighted music playing over there. I'll try to do the best I can without getting banned from YouTube, but there's probably going to be a lot of overlapping music, so that I don't get it. If this is your first time in my channel, I'm a huge Nissan enthusiast. I have three 300X twin turbo, I don't know why. R32 Skyline and Toyota M2. I don't know. If you are 21 and younger, stop watching cat video, talk to a female, do not be a car enthusiast. This is my fair warning, because it will be absolutely detrimental to your financial health. Now the warning is out of the way. Let's go see the meet. A lot of friends are here. A lot of people from our group is here, and let's go see some awesome cars. It's our buddy Chris, his car, and I love these rims. It's very period correct, very rare, impale. He stole it. He literally stole it. Somehow, I don't know how he stole this from under my nose. And this car, it belongs to Cyril. Link on the description. His YouTube channel is Mad Gatto. That's an awesome car. He did a lot of work in that car. Lots of Z32 guys. Look who's here. Hi. All right. See you in a bit. It's clean, very clean. So somebody has this brilliant idea of selling this car. The body is very rough and it has been tackled once inside.
That means a lot right there.
There's a lot of patches in there.
Well, it's a 71.
Yep, not for me.
Mine's 42.
This is a Z31 that's done right. I absolutely love it. I want to find out the owner and I want to ask him about these wheels. I wouldn't be surprised if he says he made it. Can you tell us about the wheels?
Yeah, they're SSR Mark 1s, the Speedstar Racing.
Really?
Yeah, the first three-piece wheels that ever designed.
Seriously, man, I thought you made it.
No,
That's
I
really
didn't
good.
make it.
Really good. So what's the option in it?
The fronts are 15 by 8.5, -9.
Oh,
Yeah, with a 15 mil spacer. And the rear is a 15 by 8.5, -11.
I still need the spacers because of the face being flat, it doesn't have space for the...
Yeah, caliper. It's a
yeah,
caliper,
yeah. Nasty. What else in the car?
It's stock.
But the body kit?
Oh, it's got a front lip.
That's it?
That's it.
Suspension?
Oh, it's got coilovers and stuff, like nothing major. So
Alright.
it's got front lip, seat, steering wheel. Other than that, pretty soft.
Nice. Really nice. So the turbo or?
No.
Oh, come on. That, my friend, looks like a head gasket.
That's what exactly I said.
Sorry about that, but you know what? Like, poor guy. Very nice. Who that Z? That's nice. Wow. Very nice. 240. This is nasty, mean. This guy, his name is Devin. He lives like 10 minutes from my house, and I have been looking for him for the longest time. He has a crazy RB26 setup. and he said he's gonna take me on a ride later on. So I'm looking forward to it. This is one nasty car, and on top of it, this green, factory green, and that is also a very rare color. Oh wow! How did he make the 26 fit with the? That's interesting. This car gotta be reviewed. This got to be reviewed. Yeah. So Roddick from RS Tuning did the tuning for him. That's where I began. Quincy! Hey, Quincy gang! This is really interesting. It's a still-in supercharger kit on a 350Z with a Z32 top end. It's Saf and Lou talking about stuff we don't know. It's an interesting Z. I've seen it way too many times.
Talking to some of you guys today, it truly makes me proud to represent the Nissan family or the Nissan brand, and the enthusiasm for Z is just outstanding. The vehicles today are pristine, they're just amazing. With that, we are ready for the ballots. Pass on to you, Terry. Yeah, the awards are coming out shortly.
First of all, before we get out to doing the vehicles, I want to thank Nissan Canada for having us. Please, if you guys don't mind, a little hand of applause here. A little applause here for us to be able to use our venue here. Very important. All right, so let's start off with the S30 class. Second place, Arnie Gooseneck. No, Gooseneck. First place, Mr. Brian Gracie. S30 modified, second place, Pat Sear.
Crazy.
S30 modified, first place, Mr. Rick Scott. Ricky. All right, moving on, S130, 280 ZX. Second place for stock, Mr. Chris Vieta. S130, stock. First place, Mr. David Butler. That's it, buddy. Moving on, S130 280 ZX modified. Second place, Bianca Figuera. Bianca. Congratulations. Z31 300 ZX stock. Second place, Mr. Harry Wells. It's a family affair. Z31 300 ZX stock, first place, Mr. Bob Burnham. Thanks, buddy. Z31 modified, second place, Nicholas Lim.
Ah, I'm happy for him. Really nice car. Really nice car.
Z31 modified, first place, Tim St. John. You're right, another young guy. And that's what we need here. We need more younger folks here. Well, he left. Okay, so you're an imposter is what you're saying. Okay, all right. We'll trust you on that. Z32, 300 ZX. Second place, Mr. Harry Wells, once again. Come on, big guy.
Which Z is his?
That's something else you gotta hold. That's too heavy. That's too heavy for Grandpa to hold. Z32, stock, first place, Roger Day. Z32, second place, modified, Devin Wilson. Z32 300ZX, first place modified, Mr. Cyril Williams.
Ooh.
Cyril. All right. Z33
Congrats, Cyril.
stock, second place, Ken Peters. Want to take your own picture? Point of view? Z33, second place, modified, Deja Vu, Harry Wells. Alrighty, Z33, modified, first place, Terry Weston. That'll be $5.
So happy for you, Cyril.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
At least somebody from the group won.
Z34, modified, first place, Jericho Baptista.
No, I'm not gonna take this. It's not mine.
Now, we've got other Nissan. Second place, Glenn Walker. Glenn, where are you, bud? All right, other Nissan. First place, Victor Lee. Now you're here. For real this time.
Oh boy, what a day. Really good day. I met a lot of Z friends that we always chat in our Z group. It was really nice seeing a lot of you. A lot of you actually follow the channel too. So first, congratulations to Matt Gatto, Cyril Williams. His channel is up here. He won the second best modified Z. Yeah, the second best modified Z. Somebody from our group won, which is really awesome. Anyway, there are a lot of shenanigans coming down the road. A lot of changes in my lineup. Stay tuned, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. A lot of shenanigans coming in.